What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a video. It's a challenge. First wanna finish the chips. They're extra hot. 2 times as more as last time. So I'm here with my friend Graham this time and Danny. Why are you so shy, man? Okay. So when are we gonna start it? Right now. Wait.
And by the way, we can't mess up on this because if we mess up,
holy crap!
I know. Okay, give me paper. Hold on. Let me smell it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm taking my time. Not even hot. Not even hot.
Let me have one.
No.
Yeah. Bro, you're not even. This kid was a baby and he got sour cream and onion chips.
Ricardo, how are you not dying?
Because I got him the spicy stuff. They are spicy. They're spicier than other ones, but not that much. Not twice. But they're hot.
That's my mom.
Who is it? Who is it?
I don't know. Come see. We all know him.
It's Ricky.
Bye, Jerry. Shut the door.
Our cousin was sick. Let's get that. Holy crap. You're eating sour cream and onion.
Oh, by the way, since you don't have spicy stuff, you can't drink your drink.
What if I get thirsty?
Loud.
Until we finish this challenge.
This can't get down.
Oh, actually, you can. Okay.
Stop.
Remember, this is all you have for a long time. Yeah, they're literally like dark red, bro.
They're worse than the other ones.
They're hot, bro. They're so hot they don't even taste good anymore.
Are you kidding me?
You want to try one? Too bad. Put it in your mouth.
Looks so red.
Put it in your mouth, little baby. The whole thing. You're a baby. Look, listen, everybody listen. We were at the store, right? And he was like, he was like, I want to get a bag of Takis, but this can barely handle one.
I was
One
just seeing what
Cheeto.
this tastes like.
One Cheeto.
I was just seeing what it tastes like.
Yes. Yes. I just saw pull up.
Is she?
No whenever you drink your drink, it just tastes horrible. Same.
Makes it worse. Nah, stop lying, girl.
I'm not joking.
What?
My throat hurts.
That's fine.
It's really coming straight out of my ears.
You get yours hurt?
Right here, it kind of burns.
You had one chip and you complained.
Sun kiss with he's talking at Cheetos. Bruh, it hurts my throat.
You're not getting the candy though.
My throat doesn't hurt. It just makes my mouth burn, not my throat.
It makes my throat burn.
Too much. Mine's not one.
I don't calm down.
Have another one. You were saying you can handle spicy stuff. Have another one. I never said that. You were like, I'm gonna get a bag of chocolate.
I'm gonna take off the wrapper.
Aren't talkies hotter than this?
Wrapper.
Aren't talkies hotter than this?
No.
No.
Aren't
My stomach hurts. Your mouth burning. It's just like right here. It's burning barely. Come on. Eat up. Eat up. Who's eating more?
Who ate more?
I think you.
Oh, bro, I don't even like this cheese chips anymore.
They're nasty. I'm gonna
Ew. This is making it worse, too.
Look, just
Well,
chips.
oh,
Drink
crap.
milk.
I want milk.
I know.
I just got it right in my mouth and just swallowed it.
I don't care what you say. You're just being stupid.
It feels cold.
Eat a chip. You haven't ate one for 8 years.
I am so shook with you.
Wasting all your drink already.
I'm trying to save mine.
You're not even eating spicy. Calm down.
I know, I like it though.
Yeah, eat the mustard.
I only ate one and my mouth is
Okay.
spicy already.
Ah, it makes it worse. Why did I do that?
Such a no. He's a camel. Okay. You drink soda so fast.
Ah, it burned.
Ah! I stuck my throat and it's stabbing me.
Guess what, Grim? I don't care.
I might quit.
Stop recording me.
I might quit.
Keep eating, bro.
I might quit. My stomach hurts.
Quit.
I'm out.
Don't quit.
I'm out.
Oh my god, let's see who ate more.
Oh, damn.
I want to see them.
Ah!
I'm gonna throw up, honestly.
The sun kiss came out of my nose.
No, it's the same.
I think
Which one's mine?
Okay?
My throat. My throat.
I'm gonna throw up, bro.
Hey, Grim. Grim, tell who ate more. Grim, here. Come on. Okay, who ate more?
You. I don't care.
You made the dare. Remember what you have to do?
You never said that.
You know, he said he was like, well, losers eat Tabasco.
Yeah, but we're
Time for
not.
Tabasco.
No, we're not actually doing it because he didn't get the chips.
He wasn't a part of it.
How was it?
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna throw up.
First of all,
These chips are disgusting, bro. Next time we're doing the regular ones.
yeah. You just wasted all half my money.
I told you not to
You
spend
had
your money on that.
$100.
Actually, we only wasted like $4. This is two. This is two. So yeah. It's a spider.
I have one.
Mm.
Oh my god.
You have your own
Yeah,
code.
I do.
I
need that.
chips. Now you're asking me for candy.
Where's it?
Mm-hmm.
My stomach. Oh, help me.
That's why I say to just buy one.
Do you hear me saying he's complaining his stomach hurts, but he's going straight for candy?
No, because like this spice.
Drink water.
Yeah, my stomach hurts too, though.
Ah,
That's what was happening inside the golf course.
I don't know how people eat those when they're normal.
I'm gonna go pee from all that. Look at this one, please.
What does this taste
Huh?
like?
Let her have one.
what is that, Cardo?
Are you gonna still keep recording?
I don't know. Bye, guys. I'm done.